So I get asked a lot, why would someone choose capillary over venous blood testing? Because getting stuck by a huge needle is fun, said no one ever. Venipuncture has been the main way to get your blood tested for 75 years. But venipuncture can be difficult for some people. For example, if their veins are smaller, deeper, difficult to find, or tend to roll. It's not uncommon for a phlebotomist to attempt multiple needle sticks before hitting a vein, which can be very uncomfortable and cause significant bruising even if the collection is successful. Some people even faint when they see the needle or the blood. Surveys say that 1 in 4 people are afraid of needles, and people sometimes have anxiety when thinking about their next doctor's visit if they know they're getting their blood drawn. BetterWay blood testing uses capillary blood collected from your fingertips instead of your arm. Oof. Fingertip collection may be an easier option for people with difficult vein access or a fear of needles. Get the health insights you need with BetterWay blood testing. Convenient and affordable fingertip collection available at your local pharmacy.